So while everything is cooking, I decided I would try to make some yogurt pops with some bananas that were getting extra ripe in my refrigerator. I thought I'd make chocolate banana ones with some yogurt, and I have this really excellent Oikos Triple Zero yogurt that is really high in protein. It's excellent, doesn't have any artificial sugars, which is good for migraines because artificial sugars can sometimes trigger my migraines. So I'm gonna try this and see how it goes. I wanted to try it in my NutriBullet because it gets it really nice and smooth and I like it to be nice and creamy. And I thought the chocolate would give it a nice little taste. So this is my first time making them. Let's see how they turn out. And plus I have these really cool things. And I thought, what's dinner without having a nice dessert? So let's see. And maybe, I want to see if I can maybe make zucchini bread later. Like I say, I have to take advantage when I'm really got some energy. Spatula, because I'm gonna have to use this one. Yeah, I'll just use this one. And I'm like looking all over the place for it. All right. So what's your favorite summertime snack? I thought, again, I'm using everything before it expires and I have to go to the grocery store or order my groceries online because sometimes I don't have the stamina to do it. I said, I like to call this my leftover or what's left in the fridge challenge. I'm doing 2 of these and I'm going to put in probably 2 bananas, I think. So I'm using everything before it goes out of date. This is my last little stuff in my, put one of these in here. Probably gonna put a little bit of vanilla and like a cap full of vanilla. And I think I'm gonna use a little bit of chocolate syrup instead of sugar or honey. Let's see how this tastes. Again, using whatever else is left, and I don't want to keep using my awesome honey that I've been using in almost every recipe. And I ran out of sugar. So. Anybody else have a Ninja? I love it. So good. Put it on Ultra Blend. That tastes really good. What do I feel like it's missing? Maybe one more banana. Yeah. Half this banana that I have. And I feel like it can use another banana. Yogurt. A little more chocolate because, it's dessert. like a banana sundae. Banana split. Let's see what came out. That's good. I like that. Maybe put like some chocolate sauce on the sides. Why not? It's dessert. Nothing like nice. And then, maybe, no, we'll just do it like that. And then we'll just, I was gonna put chunks, but, I just poured it. Hold on. Let's see. That was really not smart. Let's not use our precious stuff. I found this underneath my sink and I was like, what better time to use this than today? I'm telling you, don't waste it, use it. Let's see. Get that off of there. Alrighty. And now, supposedly 6 hours in the freezer. I put it on express freeze. Let's see. We have a little bit left. Why not use the rest? Could make it in like a limber. Spanish style. Oh, I forgot to put the, hold on, I gotta do the hot fudge sides. There we go. And now, boom. And I have some leftover lollipop sticks that I'm gonna go get out of my basement and put them in there and pop them in the freezer, and we'll see how they come out later.